Hey, good morning guys. We decided to come up to Montserrat. Sorry about the truck. Come to Montserrat this morning. It's about an hour outside of Barcelona, so we took the train up here and we just arrived. Did y'all figure out where we gotta go?
No,
we did not figure it out, but we're gonna explore.
We're gonna go exploring.
Up here on the hill.
Yeah, just got here.
A little chillier here.
But yeah, it is. Look at that. What a view.
Plan your visit here. Let's cross there.
Hiking. Even though the trail's technically closed, we're being safe though. At least so far.
Oh yeah, they even have a rail to go around it.
Yeah, let's see.
That way's closed, but this way's not.
No, just letting you know that
It's just
at your own risk.
Well, they made a way for us to go around the gate.
yeah. So I think we're okay. We've been passing people. Yeah, we're a little hot and sweaty, but we made it. Whew. A little bit of a hike there.
Going back up this.
View. So worth the 40-minute hike and bypassing all the closed signs and the barricades.
And the landslide warning signs.
And the landslide warning signs, yeah.
Dennis is a little nervous, but we convinced them.
I think we made it okay. I think we were safe. There's only one part that was kind of sketchy, but we went quick.
We went around the boulders
Yeah.
that obviously fell a few days earlier.
But we're not down yet, so.
No.
Now we're going
Say
back.
our prayers.
All right, let's hit the trail. We got a 40-minute hike back. Alright, we just had to come on up down from the cross, and we came to the monastery here. The basilica, we believe, is right there where the wooden doors are. It's just a really cool little area up here. Let's see if maybe we can go inside and check it out. We'll see. Hey, good afternoon. We're sitting here starting our day here in Barcelona with the lunch. And we decided to come to a really cool historic restaurant. It's got a lot of history. You can see all the people that have eaten here on the walls. Look at this, even Jimmy Carter's been here.
Mid-1800s, it says.
Yeah.
And we have our favorite beer, Estrella.
Cheers.
We're pretty much going to go exploring today and kind of check off any last minute things we want to do.
We walk right through the kitchen to
Yeah.
come back to the dining room.
When we leave, I'll try to show you that when we leave.
Yeah.
Right through the kitchen to our table.
Yeah.
I guess that's the only way out here. I don't know.
I think so.
Alright, well, lunch is done. Man, that was so good. I'm so glad we stumbled on that one. Probably one of the best meals we've had here.
The pictures on the wall were fascinating.
They
Julio
were.
Iglesias, the
Movie
Beatles,
stars, rich
Yeah.
and famous.
Robert Plant,
Jimmy Carter, he's been there.
Axl Rose.
O.J. Simpson.
Yes.
Slash.
Everybody's been there. So cool. So now our bellies are full. We're going to go exploring a little bit. We got our espresso coffees. We're ready to go exploring now. We're gonna get all our energies.
Yes.
Gin City.
Let's go.
funny ones. I think they're all funny. Is there dinner there?
Mira, porque si te estoy hablando, tú tienes que entender.
Sí, pero no.
I did. Cheers, guys.
Cheers! Saturday afternoon.
Hey guys, we're here on La Rambla to end our journey from Barcelona. It's our last day, last few hours here, and we have to head back home.
It's been more walking in.
Yeah.
Another drink, maybe.
Yeah. It's been a lot of fun. We've seen a lot of stuff here. Definitely would come back again, 100%. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys.
Yeah. Great trip.
Yeah. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye. Your new buddy, Rob.
What are you doing?
We're in this together.